Looking live at a beautiful blue sky and blue water from South Pottery Island this midday, looking off towards the east. How beautiful is that? Good place to be today, especially to escape the heat. Feeling more like summer out there this afternoon with a lot of mid and upper 90s. Some areas going to be close to 100 this afternoon, but looking good out on the beaches. We've got temperatures already this hour at right around that 90-degree mark. Now, the stationary front up towards the north is slowly going to be moving southward, and that could end up helping to trigger a couple of showers here by the time we reach Wednesday, and even further chances as we go into the upcoming weekend. But right now, for today, looks like we're just going to see it kind of meander up towards the north. They're already seeing some of those showers along the Gulf waters moving north to south, and some of those could actually make their way into the lower valley today. But again, chances are going to be pretty slim, and that would be really the only shot at seeing any rain across the area for today. So plenty of sunshine, mid and upper 90s this afternoon. Then by the time 9 o'clock rolls around, we'll see those temperatures falling back down through the lower 80s. And I think we're going to see another night, those temperatures dropping down at least into the lower 70s, if not near that 70-degree mark. 93 the valley average high today, 96 for forecast high Harlingen and Brownsville, 98 McAllen, and looking at those mid and upper 90s also out in the upper valley. South Pottery Island for today, though not looking all that bad. You saw the camera just a bit ago. 87 this afternoon, surf running 1 to 2 feet. That water temperature is a nice 83 degrees, but the current risk will be low. UV index is still very high. Out on the bay, looking at a moderate chop this afternoon. Light chop right now, but it will get a little bit choppier for the afternoon. Sunset tonight at 7:38. So our next weather maker is that stationary front off towards north. That and the possibility of a trough of low pressure developing just offshore by the time we reach the latter part of the week. It could actually help to increase the rain chances here in the valley. But there are some kind of ifs out there as to what we're going to end up seeing out of this. So deep tropical moisture will be making its way from the Gulf into deep South Texas once again. That's your darker green on the map here. We've got the front to the north, potential for an area of low pressure developing just offshore. So we've got lifting mechanisms out there. But the question is, how far south will that front make it? So the front is right now to our north, low pressure possibly to our east. Further south means we get a little bit more rain. Further north means we get a little bit less rain. And that's right now a lot of ifs, ands, or buts out there for this system over as we go through the latter part of the week into the upcoming weekend. One of those, we'll stay tuned, but right now I'm not expecting any major problems across the area. In fact, here's futurecast from our computer models going all the way through 7 o'clock Sunday evening. Highest rainfall totals close to the coast you get. And the Weather Prediction Center is kind of thinking the same thing. Closer to the coast you get, that's where we could see the higher rainfall totals. This over the next 7 days, quarter to half an inch in general across the Rio Grande Valley. But hey, we need the rain regardless of how we get it. Hopefully we'll get enough to kind of wetten things up a little bit out there once again. Out in the tropics, we have this tropical wave coming off the coast of Africa, 20% chance of development. This one also a 20% chance of development as it makes it into this yellow area. But notice all the brown around the map here. That's all that dust still out over the far reaches of the Atlantic. And then out in the Pacific, we have this tropical wave, 70% shot. And this one a little bit further to the west, a 20% shot. So there's stuff out there, just nothing major to speak of at this time. Don't forget the Valley Storm Team weather app. It's available for free in your app store. With that, you can track the weather in your backyard or wherever you may head out and about. It goes with you and keeps track of things for you. 7-day forecast then with the weekend in view there. So right now we're keeping the rainfall chances capped at 40% for Thursday through Sunday. But again, we'll have to watch this closely. If they, like I say, if things come into perfect alignment, we can see a little bit more rain around the area. If it doesn't, then we may reduce those rain chances. So still kind of some things to work through.
Yeah, and we still need that rain.
We do.
Yeah, definitely.
Don't want to go too long in between, you know?
Yeah, definitely. Thank you so much, Jay.